back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, SeANA, back up in this joint with another video. And here I'm doing a quick DIY of these lovely rose gold and chrome nails. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I do videos on beauty, art, and a little bit of gaming. So yeah, we have fun over here. And make sure you also follow me on my social media, because yeah, we get lit. So this is all the nail supplies that I will be using. The nails, of course, some nail polish remover, my nail polishes, a nail file, and a cotton pad, and a couple of other nail tools, there's some clippers and the cuticle thing. These are the Kiss nails. I got them from Walmart for about under $8, and they're not super long, they're kind of short with a square tip. They come with glue too. And these are the nail polishes I'm going to be using, a pretty rose gold color and a chrome color with a top coat, and they're the gel nail polishes from Hansen and Revlon. I'll list the products in the description. Yep. So first what I'm going to do is just start filing my real nails to make sure they're not looking all rough and jagged, because sometimes when I don't file them for a while, my nails start looking all rough and jagged. Yeah, and then I'm just going to start pushing back the cuticles because, you know, we just don't want too much of that. Then I just use the nail polish remover to make sure there's no oil on my nails, because that's going to make the glue stick better. And then using the clippers to clip off the little bit of skin, hangnails and stuff. And then I'm just going to buff the top of my nails, the nail beds, to kind of roughen them up a bit, because that's also going to help the glue stick better when the nails are not oily and they're just kind of have a little bit more of a rougher texture, so that the glue will like grip it better and stick better and all that stuff. Right? Yeah. Then just wipe off the dust with a paper towel real quick. Now I'm picking out my nail sizes. You could do that first so it's ready to go, but I forgot. Then I just go ahead and start gluing them on. I'm just going to use this Kiss nail glue that came with the nails. And I try to put like enough glue on, like not too little but not too much, but like I pretty much just kind of make sure it's covering like almost the whole entire nail, because I want to make sure my nails are going to stick really good. Then I hold the nail down onto my real nail and hold it there firmly for about 30 seconds because I want to make sure that it is really going to stick, okay? And for my nails that are kind of long, I make sure I put the glue all the way to the tips so that they stick flat to the fake nail, because I don't want there to be any space in between my real nail and the fake nail, and there's more of a chance that it will last longer. And then once all the nails are glued on, I just chill for a minute and let the glue dry to make sure that the nails are not going to fall off. Then I just start filing down the nails, make sure that they're not sticking out too much on the sides if they were just a tad bit bigger than my real nail, and then also just kind of like shape them a little bit more to my liking. I kind of just made the tips slightly more narrow. And then kick that dust off. So now I'm going to start with the rose gold color. It's actually called Terra Coppa, but it's kind of like this like chrome looking rose gold color. It's really pretty, and it's by Hansen Gel Miracle. I love gel polishes because I feel like they just dry super quick, and that's what I need. So once you paint on one coat, the color is kind of see-through. It's very sheer, so you kind of have to paint on either 2 or 3 coats to really make it look more opaque. But it's all good because, like I said, it dries super fast. But right here, I'm just doing the first coat. I left my middle finger untouched because that's the one that I want to paint the other color. I forgot to not paint it on my other hand, but that's okay. So this is the nice silver chrome color, which is also from Hansen Gel Miracle, and this one is called Game of Chromes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my middle fingers with that one. Now I'm going in with the second coat, and you can see the color better. It looks more opaque now. Yeah, and then I just let that dry for a few minutes, and then we're gonna do the top coat. So the top coat that I'm using is the one from Revlon ColorStay, the Gel Envy. It's just called top coat. And I basically just did one coat of that on all of my nails, and that's pretty much it, and I just let it dry. So yeah, this is the finished look of my nails, looking sexy, looking pretty. Just a quick DIY of your nails that you could just do when you just want to hurry up and do something cute with your nails or whatever, and maybe wear it out for like New Year's and whatnot, and you know, just get it popping. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out my other videos, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.